हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे HP TET प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम सीरीज फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पार्ट 3। सो लेट्स बिगिन। गेस्टाल मींस नंबर 1 illusion, नंबर 2 perception, नंबर 3 whole, नंबर 4 environment। Correct answer will be whole. Operant conditioning is associated with number 1 Thorndike, number 2 Skinner, number 3 Whole, number 4 Miller. Correct answer will be Skinner. Heisnick was dash psychologist. Number 1 an American, number 2 a German, number 3 a British, number 4 an Indian. Correct answer will be a British. The self-actualization theory of motivation was advocated by number 1 Maslow, number 2 Kohlberg, number 3 Waston, number 4 none of them. Correct answer will be Maslow. If previous learning helps in new learning, then there will be dash transfer of learning. Number 1 positive, number 2 negative, number 3 0, number 4 all of these. Correct answer will be positive. Individual differences are the product of dash and environment. Number 1 nature, number 2 socialization, number 3 hereditary, number 4 culture. Correct answer will be hereditary. Prejudge is a kind of dash attitude. Number 1 believable, number 2 biased, number 3 positive, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be biased. How many stages are described under the three-level moral development theory given by Kohlberg? Number 1 3, number 2 4, number 3 5, number 4 6. Correct answer will be 6. Freud constructed a model of personality with three parts: id, ego, and dash. Number 1 libido, number 2 sex, number 3 superego, number 4 self. Correct answer will be superego. Psycho means dash and logos means knowledge. Number 1 soul, number 2 mind, number 3 consciousness, number 4 behavior. Correct answer will be soul. Which school was founded by Freud? Number 1 neo-behaviorism, number 2 psychoanalysis, number 3 neo-psychoanalysis, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be psychoanalysis. Pituitary gland is also known as number 1 simple gland, number 2 specific gland, number 3 master gland, number 4 all of above. Correct answer will be master gland. It takes a maturation period of dash months for child to take his first step in walking. Number 1 5 to 6, number 2 10 to 12, number 3 4 to 5, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be 10 to 12. The first person to conduct experiment in classical conditioning was number 1 Skinner, number 2 Pavlov, number 3 Brunner, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be Pavlov. Who propounded the theory of reinforcement? Number 1 Pavlov, number 2 Kohlberg, number 3 Alport, number 4 Skinner. Correct answer will be Skinner. Ink pole test was used by number 1 Galton, number 2 Freud, number 3 Rorschach, number 4 Alport. Correct answer will be Rorschach. The first stage of need according to Maslow is number 1 psychological, number 2 self-esteem, number 3 safety, number 4 love. Correct answer will be psychological. IQ is calculated as number 1 MA upon CA into 100, number 2 CA upon MA into 100, number 3 CA upon 100 into MA, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be MA upon CA into 100. Which of these is not a sensory channel? Number 1 vision, number 2 hearing, number 3 touch, number 4 memory. Correct answer will be memory. Decision making is a kind of dash. Number 1 thinking, number 2 perception, number 3 memory, number 4 problem solving. Correct answer will be problem solving. Endocrine glands are called ductless glands because they secrete their hormone number 1 through genes, number 2 through chromosomes, number 3 directly into blood, number 4 through tubes. Correct answer will be directly into blood. According to Bandura, a child learns by number 1 imitation, number 2 motivation, number 3 reinforcement, number 4 insight. Correct answer will be imitation. The average IQ of a person is number 1 90 to 110, number 2 130 to 150, number 3 70 to 90, number 4 50 to 70. Correct answer will be 90 to 110. Cognitive development theory was advocated by number 1 W. G. Kohler, number 2 B. F. Skinner, number 3 Piaget, number 4 none of them. Correct answer will be Jean Piaget. Creative people tends to think in a dash manner. Number 1 convergent, number 2 divergent, number 3 negative, number 4 positive. Correct answer will be divergent. The first important step in conducting an experiment is number 1 collecting data, number 2 setting up instrument, Number 3. Analysis of data. Number 4. Forming a hypothesis. Correct answer will be collecting data. First psychological laboratory was formally established in number 1. Boston, number 2. London, number 3. Leipzig, number 4. Philadelphia. Correct answer will be Leipzig. Gene works in dash. Number 1. Single, number 2. Groups, number 3. Pair, number 4. None of these. Correct answer will be pairs. The TET was designed by number 1. Murray, number 2. Alport, number 3. Jung, number 4. Mendel. Correct answer will be Murray. A relatively dash change in behavior is called learning. Number 1. Temporary, number 2. Similar, number 3. Permanent, number 4. None of these. Correct answer will be permanent.